Hello, my name is Rory Capper and I'm the Head of Sustainability at Bywaters. We are a recycling company based in the heart of London who focus on sustainability and the circular economy. Today is Earth Day, which is an annual celebration which encourages everyone around the world to take action to protect our planet. This year's theme is Our Power, Our Planet, which encourages people to take action and use more renewable energy. Therefore, we wanted to tell you today more about our recycling facility, which uses a large array of solar panels to power our plant. Our recycling facility in the heart of London has over 4,000 solar panels on the roof. This helps power some of our vehicles, our machinery on site, and our lighting. Overall, it contributes to over 25% of the energy that we use. This helps us reduce our reliance on the grid, reduces our carbon emissions, and also encourages other businesses in the area to use renewable energy. Our solar panels at our facility help power all different bits of machinery that we have on site to help segregate your recycling so it can be reprocessed. So now we're going to take you on a journey of your recycling when it comes back to our facility. First of all, it goes through our bag splitter, which opens up the bags so all the items can go along the conveyor belt freely. Next, it moves to different segregation sections, removing the cardboard, removing bits of plastic. Following that, it moves to a ballistic separator, which separates out the 2D items from the 3D items. Following this, it moves to an optical sorter, which separates out your paper from your plastic. Finally, we have large magnets, which remove the different types of metals. All this is partly powered by the solar panels that are on our roof. Once these items are segregated, they are then stored in large bunkers ready to be baled. Once these are baled, they are then sent off to reprocessors who give these items a second life. It's estimated that recycling an aluminium can saves around 95% of the energy when compared to producing it from raw materials. And that is why this Earth Day's theme of Our Power, Our Planet is so important. Because just imagine if we could reduce the energy needed for everything by 95%, and for that remaining 5%, we just use renewable energy and even better solar panels on the roof.